because èmi mo ní pé mention my name o dẹ̀ jáde o respond sí mi pé if I mention your name ọmọ mi ṣèyàwó o dá sí everything about my life you constantly even mo lọ party kan tí mọ́mí ìsàláwà nǹkan fún mi you made an issue about it everything about my life you have constantly made an issue about it.
ẹ̀yin tèmi Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó ti padà dé tìjàtìjà ó padà dé togun-togun lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin ó lóun ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ráyè tí Lizzy Anjorin báyìí ni ó ní gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin ti ń sọ lórí òun àti àwọn ọmọ òun gbogbo èpè àti gbogbo àwọn èébú tó ti ń bú àwọn òun náà ṣẹ̀ ráyè tiẹ̀ ní báyìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó.
So definitely, you have constantly, indirectly, been tagging me to all these things that you are saying. So please, we have not started a court case. We have not started a court case. We have not even started at all. So that mention my name, kò sí ikú kòkò nípa èmi àti ẹ̀. Àjọ máa ṣe ẹjọ́ yẹn ni. Àjọ máa ẹ máa ṣàlàyé pé okay o. Nǹkan báyìí ni because ẹni tó tag mọ́ mi yẹn ó máa prove ẹ̀ gbogbo èpè tó ń ṣe fún ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tí kò ṣe Priscilla ò ṣe tó rù ẹ́ wàá prove ẹ̀ ibi tèmi ti ṣépè fún ọmọ ẹ wàá mú jáde ibi tí mo ti bú màmá ẹ wàá mú jáde gbogbo nǹkan tó ní mo ṣe pátá fún ẹ wàá mú gbogbo ẹ̀ jáde má kò máa sọ pé mo evidence kò máa flash no wàá show evidence do you understand so don't come and gaslight people. Now I manipulate and when you don't gaslight people, don't manipulate people. Because think I can't there's nothing tí mo fẹ́ fi ẹ́ ṣe. Ìwọ ló ní problem pẹ̀lú mi. Do you understand? Problem tèmi kàn ní pẹ̀lú wọn ni pé gbogbo nǹkan tó accuse me of, you can come and lay it on the table and give them evidence. You can't come now and say things about me and not be able to prove it. Abi? So problem tèmi ní pẹ̀lú ẹni. Ìwọ ló máa ní problem pẹ̀lú mi ìwọ ló máa ṣọ́ mi kiri tí bá lọ bì kan wàá rí sọ tí bá jókòó wàá rí sọ bọ́mọ mi bá ṣe kàn wàá rí sọ tí bá dìde wàá rí sọ tí bá sùn wàá rí sọ ìwọ ló ń rí èpè sọ ìwọ ló ń rí jàjà ìwọ ló ló gbórúkọ àwọn ọmọ mi àti èmi lọ́lé babaláwo ìwọ ló confirm ẹ̀ do you understand you are the one that has a problem with me I don't have a problem with you the only problem I have with you is that all the problems that you have with me you have to come and face it. And I like the fact that now you are mentioning my name. Ayé àdá o bó ṣe mention name mi ó dá gidi gan ni o. Wà wá sọ fún àwọn èèyàn. Do you understand? Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan. Gbogbo evidence tó lò ní, gbogbo nǹkan tó ní mo ṣe, wà wá sọ. Gbogbo èpè tó ń gbá ọmọ mi ṣẹ́, gbogbo ohun tó ń wish ọmọ mi death, tó ní káwọn government, mo ní fídíò yẹn, tó ní káwọn government bí tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣe kíní kan ni, ó yẹ kó pa ọ̀tá mi dànù. Threat to life. There's everything that you have done. You've done threat to life. You've done threat to the life of my children. You've constantly tagged. In fact, the defamatory things that you have said and done is huge. So it is you, Lizzy Anjorin, ló need láti jáde. Kó wá lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ìjọba, kó wá gbogbo evidence ẹlẹ̀. Do you understand? So, Shike na show the video yẹn mo fẹ́ sáré show ẹ jọba mi sáré wá I need to play that particular video for you before I leave this place gbogbo tó ń sọ yẹn ìyẹn yìí fi àwọn ẹsẹ kí n fẹ́ jọ kí n fẹ́ fi ẹ ṣe kí n fẹ́ ìwọ ló ń wà bittered you are the one who has a problem ìwọ ló mọ tó ń ṣe ẹ́ do you understand èmi kò fẹ́ help ẹ láti wá solution sí nǹkan tó ń ṣe ẹ̀yẹn ni because you keep mentioning fake that dress àdótò ṣe fake dress this lọ bàbí kí ló máa sọ náà do you understand so jẹ́ ká help ẹ láti discover ẹni yẹn that's my own take with you but you are coming out to gaslight to say if anything happen to me she had me happen kí n fẹ́ fi ẹ ṣe kí ló fẹ́ dà fún mi. Do you understand? Don't forget. Where is it? Buy me one now. One there. Ṣé bíbá ló wà? Mo fẹ́ play. It's not this one. Is it that one? No. Ṣé bá rí gan, máa post ẹ̀ sórí page mi. It's here. Go and look for it for me. Let me look for it. Go outside, play them. Look it and bring it for me. It's there. Do you understand? So, Amy, do you understand? All this one that you are coming out, don't so if anything happen to me, what like kini kan sílé what your picture mo what she kini kan what post sorry kini kan I don't know what you're talking about. All those things you can take the evidence to court. Do you understand? You can take the evidence back to court. Because me, I really want us to go to court so that I just need you to come so that we can even help find out this person that you've been, you understand, that you've been coming for all this while. This fade actress, Kinekon Adotoshi, just lover, that you've been shouting and screaming, that you've asked the government to kill, that you've asked that the person's child to die, that you've asked that person to die. There is nothing that you've not said. So me too, I really want to help you. So all those evidence that you have, please do yourself a favor and take it to the right authorities. Because in me, I have already written a petition. Again, we are not ending it here. It cannot end here until you come out and say all these things and bring the person out. All these allegations, you have to come and prove every single one of them. Every single one of them. You have to come out and prove it. Kò yé bẹ́ẹ̀. Wàá prove well. Eléyìí náà tó dẹ̀ tún sọ náà, wàá prove well. Wàá prove well. I'm going to look for that video and probably post it so that you guys can see a video where she was asking the government to come and kill some failed actress, Gislova Adotoshi. She has to, you cannot put my life at risk. Lying, I mean, the defamation, God. Saying so many unspeakable things. Accusing me of so many things. So many things. And then you come and start playing victim. This is the height of manipulation. You don't understand. Do you understand? The height of manipulation. Immediately you heard I went to Alagbon to file a criminal petition. You quickly went to Abuja to file a petition. Petition. And then you come out and start saying that you won't be responsible. Yeah. What we did before was ADR. And that one has not worked. We've not gone to try. We've not started. Nothing. Nothing. You understand? Nothing. Nothing. Toyosi, sure, really? Okay, no wahala, guys. Let me go and sleep, Jerry. If anything should happen to me, or my daughter, or my son, or my man, or anybody, Lizzy Anjorin is one of the people that you should hold responsible. Good night.